This Hopkins Towing Solutions 4 flat to 7 blade and 4 flat adapter lets you run different trailer types from a single vehicle connector without constant rewiring. The design splits your existing 4 flat wiring into both 7 blade and 4 flat outputs, so you can tow small utility trailers one day and larger campers or cargo trailers the next. Only the higher demand circuits such as electric brakes, auxiliary power, reverse lights, and ground need extra wiring, which keeps installation straightforward for most do-it-yourself users. The adapter comes pre-wired for the lighting functions, reducing the chance of wiring mistakes and cutting down the time spent under the vehicle. Construction feels solid and purpose-built for frequent towing, so the connector housings and contacts hold up well to repeated plugging, unplugging, and road vibration. For drivers who regularly swap between trailers, this adapter offers a practical way to standardize connections and avoid carrying multiple loose harnesses.